Welcome to day 19 of 30 days of Python. In this episode, we'll be looking at strings. Now, strings are one of the most fundamental data types in the Python programming language. They are used to represent text and other sequence of characters. There are two major ways to create strings in Python. Now, the first way is to basically do this. String 1 is equals to hello, which is you enclose it in single quotes, or you can use string 2 equals to welcome to programming. Both will create strings. So if we say print string 1 comma string 2, hello world, welcome to Python programming. Then the second way is using the stl, the str function. So if we say stl name age equals to str10 print type age. You see, it converted it to a string. Bear in mind that the type is an integer, so the str function converts it to a string. Now, how do we access the characters in a string? If we have, for example, a string where we say my name, this is my own name, I'm going to use double quotes, trusting calendar. So to print the first character of my name, then the last character, to test this, the first character will be capital letter T, and the last character will be small letter e. Now, bear in mind that Python uses what we call zero-based indexing, which means that the first character is at index 0, the second is at index 1, and so on. Now, when you want to use negative index to count, you count from the end. So if we say print first char and print last char. Now there's something called string slicing. String slicing allows you to extract a portion of a string. It is done by specifying a start index and an end index separated by a colon. So if we want to do we'll do this. Sub string is equals to string 1 7 12 print substring. So if we come back up here, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it starts at 7 and goes all the way up to 12. Now, string concatenation is how you join two strings together. So we say, rather than type print string 1 comma string 2, we can say hello underscore welcome underscore string is equals to string 1 plus space plus string 2. So we say print welcome string, and it gives you the same result as you have here. Now, string formatting. Python offers different methods for string formatting, including the format method and the f-strings. F-strings are more modern and concise way to embed strings, variables, and expressions inside strings. So we'll be using f-strings. So, for example, we have the person name equals to Alice, age is equals to 30, formatted string is equals to f, my name is name, and I am age years old. And you see, it substitutes the value in the formatted from the variables into the formatted string. Escape characters. Now, escape characters are used to represent special characters within a string. They are preceded by the backslash. This is your backslash. For example, slash n will print a new line. So let's do this. Escaped string is equals to, this is a line, and this another line. Now this is going to print out strings lining up with each other. Now strings are immutable. What that means is that their content cannot be changed after they've been created. So in conclusion, strings are a fundamental data type in Python, and they are used in a wide variety of applications. So this video, we didn't go into string methods. We'll go into that in the next video. So I just used it to introduce the basics of working with strings. Thank you very much for watching.